welcome to this episode of Car Mechanic Simulator 2018. I'm using vehicle mods, as you can see. For this episode I was going to do this. I know it's a Ford. No, it's a Lincoln. Stock i6, 1926. But in the junkyard I happened to find this. This cost me an absolute fortune, 700,000. Did also manage to pick up a Subaru BRZ or Z, depending on your nationality. And this McLaren 570S, lovely. That was only worth 30 grand, amazingly. But this, yeah, I did pay over the odds. As you can see, it's only worth 552,000, which isn't a great deal. But right, I don't want to do this first. Use equipment. Oh, that's actually quite a nice blue. Right. Can I remove any other panels? Yes, one left. But already gone up. What's that, like 80,000, and I've taken parts off it, so this is going to be worth it. I suppose it is quite an easy way of making money, buying a rack and just doing it up. There is another way of making easy money, and that's you need about 100,000 to begin with, so you got to work up to that. Then you just go to the car auctions and buy cars off there, because you can pick up a car for about 70,000 and sell it on with minor bits of work for 100 plus. Right, this episode I suppose I'll strip this fucker down and possibly do the interior. So up you go. By the way, this is the Maserati MC-12. Lovely. Okay, I think that's pretty much everything stripped off that I can do underneath. Everything else is going to be on top. It did look a bit weird on the rear end there, and I was, that's cool. That would actually be the proper suspension, I think, there. Okay, that's the rear of the car done. Just this little bit at the front, ABS. Okay, why can't I do that? I'll just put in the engine bay. That's... Okay, this can be a bit awkward. Especially if I can't change those at the front. Ah, this is going to be awkward. Where does it think I am? Really? Access from engine bay. I'm in the fucking engine. Ah, there we go. Bit side on action works. Right, that's that pain in the ass done. Alright, it did look like I'm going to have to do more suspension on this. I do need to whip out the engine quickly. And I'm on ramp 3. Removing a mid-engine... Well, removing an engine from a mid-engine vehicle from the front. Oop. That always makes sense. Right, now the engine's out, I'm just going to chuck that on the stand just for it to sit there, basically. As this episode, I'm probably going to concentrate on getting the body interior done as well. That's a bit of a shitty looking steering wheel. And that was steering wheel 12. C11D. Lever D. Oops. Interior. Oh, wrong one. Keep doing that. Alright, they were lever D. So I'll take 2 new ones. And then steering wheel 12 doesn't really suit the car. Steering wheel 8 looks about right. Oh, actually no. M3. No, it could be that, just namely because of the shape of it. Expensive car, odd shaped steering wheel, I would assume. I haven't actually seen the interior myself. Actually, I'll go for that one. Steering wheel 10, it looks like 12, but it doesn't, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't make sense at all. Right. Steering wheel 10. That looks a little bit better. Right. So, if I go, that can move back. Right, where's the car space there? So it's gone up even more. Interior and frame condition are 100%. Well, that is now actually over what I paid for it, so that's a good sign. Hopefully I should make about $1.5 million off this when it's fully done. Might upgrade it a little bit. I'd stick some better spark plugs, better air filters, things like that. But at the moment I need to sort the exterior out. Let's see if I've got any, repair any of it. Yeah, I've got the rear end repaired. Yeah, and the lights, lovely. Right. I think I'm right in saying I need... Oh yeah, I'll move that. There we go, that's a better plate. Right, tail lights didn't repair. That one did. Right, no spoiler. No boot lid. No roof. No door. No front bumper. Hold on. I want you to move. There we go. Right. So there is quite a bit I need for this car. Was there a... I swear there was something else. There's an engine cover as well. No. Oh, just by... what? Just by putting that rear end on, that's bumped up over 200 grand. Almost. God damn. Right, I'm gonna need the community potty one. Everybody out there who does do mods, you guys do a fantastic job. You really do. You make games like this so much better. Oh crap. Right, yeah, I need the front bumper. Engine cover. Front backwards, front right, there's front right. Right, I think that's everything. But I will soon find out. Actually, that looks the same as that one, but with a roof, so it looks like I've got a choice there. Okay. What happened to my lights? Okay. I've got no headlight. Okay, that's a bit of a dodgy bit. You got to put that on before the headlights. It's good to know. So I now need to buy more fucking headlights. Ooh, got multiple choices here. Let's go with the standard roof. I know I bought everything else, but options. Okay, so what's the other one for then? Right, yeah, some of these are going to be somewhat a pain in the ass. But that should have bumped up the price somewhat. Oh my god, yes it certainly has. 1.9 million. Lovely. So it was a bit of a steal at 770,000. It's not even completed yet. God damn. Okay, that's pretty much all I can do without buying stuff on that. But that should have upped it. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely worth it. Alright. I need a radiator in the front, but I'm not sure which one it is. Right, so I need 2 radiator A's. I'm not sure if they actually require anything on them. Bottom suspension arm. Bushers, great. Always need bushings. Two of them. Best buy a spare one. And about 20 should do them. I'll buy some small ones just in case. What else did I need? I don't think there was actually much more I needed apart from suspension parts. And that was actually a rear shock I needed to make. Front, not one. But I'll get some front ones while I'm at it as well. Front sway, I know I need one of them. And I think I'm good for pretty much everything else. I'll find out when I get there. Yeah, I think it's all good. Grab some bearings while I'm here. Oh, great, I didn't need stuff on top, so that's going to need a fan and a housing. I knew it would need something like that. There's no radiator fan housing, two of them. That is a shiny cube there. No idea what that is. Maybe a black box, but when you crash it, maybe scream for your life, as all goes wrong. Ah, bollocks. Two of them as well. So I never do remember what I actually need. Don't think there's ever been ones where I've come onto this bit and been like, yeah, I need that, this and this. Never worked out. And I more than likely forgot some stuff. Bottom suspension B. Double wishbone, shock absorber. Yeah, good, I did get those. Ah, oh, crap. Great, I bought the wrong bloody springs, didn't I? Yeah, fuck it, why not? I'll join that now. Come on, there we go. That looks fucked. Yeah, there's certainly a few things with these mods which are not that nice, such as the springs there. Yeah, it looks better on. That is something I have to admit. Nuts. I can't remember which one it was now. It must be that one. Yeah, it has to be. I don't know how that's going to work by putting in the drive axle when it comes to the gearbox. Okay. Right, value of the car. I best put the front end on. It seems to have gone down. There we go. Yeah, the body does a lot to this vehicle. Right. Ooh, forgot about that light. Right, well, thank you for joining me on this episode for this Maserati MC-12. Hopefully you'll join me on the next one, where I finish it and take it for a quick spin. Maybe get another double fucking barrel roll out of it on the suspension test, like I did on that, oh, was there another Maserati? Yeah, I think it was Maserati 250F. Gotta say, I do like Maseratis. Apart from this one's just like an Enzo in a wide boy suit. Fat boy, even. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one.